Sarah.
Such a clean method.
Fine.
Can't see anything. Oh, there we go. It's not working.
No, we have to wait for Corey to come down.
Before. Step in the light a little bit.
That was a Windsor. Dad's done texting. We'll get a picture of you guys out back on the porch in front of the mountains.
See, look at her. She's so pretty.
You look beautiful, Sarah.
Oh yeah, it is black.
Okay, let's get everyone over here for pictures. Okay, girls, come here.
We'll get a big group picture. Everyone's here.
I'm detecting Nutty.
We're gonna just strap things in there.
You look so pretty, Corey. I love that sweater.
Cut it.
Cut her hair too. Then we can put it in the envelope.
Why?
Because you can't sit on my lap and I can't say the feather.
Okay, let's get you.
1, 2, 3.
Over here.
Yeah, try to get without the hair in there.
Here's
And Corey's got her hand in there, funny.
Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3. What's up with those shoes?
It's probably my hair.
No, it was my legs, like, because of how windy.
She couldn't find her other black shoe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in my room.
What?
What?
Go get him. No, wait, what are you doing? You have another pair of shoes, but it's not the shoe that we're looking for. It might be in the garage.
Oh, Josh, I gotta get him to work. Josh!